What's up, YouTube and all my subscribers? Yeah, big shout out to you all. And thanks for supporting my video, helping my little channel growing. I can see the subscribers are coming in one by one. Yeah, today's Sunday. Yeah, my Millie shirt looking so pretty. Yeah, today's Sunday. I'm at the terminal in Albany, Georgia. Yeah, I'm taking a reset right here. You know, I'm the reset guy. I'm not really the recap. Yeah, I just run hard and run it right out. And I did 3,120 miles. So, if the reset worked for me, let it work for me. So I'm here today, cook and clean up my truck and cook some food. And I'll show you guys what I prepared for my Sunday dinner. But you know, my thing is all Jamaican food. You know, I'm the Jamaican nigga. Yeah, that's how it is. Yes, I'm just here chilling today. It's a wonderful day. I was in Wisconsin, and you know, up that side is so cold. So now I'm down this side, getting some of the sunny weather. So my reset will be up tomorrow, and then I'll blast out. And there's my beautiful house behind me right there. My pretty bedroom, my TV, and my pretty light there flashing. You know my truck. It's like a 7 apartment truck. Yeah, this is not just a truck. And I'm enjoying my solo. My first solo check after tax was $1,090 after tax. It was $1,400, $1,400 and something dollars before tax. So why not reset working for me? So why not enjoy it? I'm not really the guy that's gonna take a lot of home time. My home time is in my truck. So when I take my reset on Sundays, that's it for me. So if I can make $1,100 after tax, $1,090 after tax, shit, it's pretty good. That's the biggest check I ever collect in my life in 1 week. So thanks to Millis, thanks to trucking. Yeah, making $1,090 after tax in 1 week, that's like twice most people pay a week. That's like 2 weeks pay for most people before tax as well. And I get that in, and I didn't can you imagine that shit? Yeah, cause my last week was I made around 2,860 miles, and that get me $1,090 after tax. And this week I run 3,120 miles. So you know my check gonna be bigger than that 1,090, because it's more miles. I don't miss any fuel stop. So there you go again. I got it. So I'm gonna cook some food now. So at the end of this video, you guys will see what's up. So like, share, comment. Shout out to all my subscribers. So thanks for supporting me. Yeah, well, I chill out today, cook some food and eat some food, and ready to hit the road tomorrow. This is my Jamaican flour. Got some cornmeal in it. So I'm now on the truck about to start my dinner. And this is where Got the saltfish in there, so you'll see what's up. So it's another cooking day on the chuck. That's how it go, it brings chucking. Yeah, this is what you call dumpling. And this is the saltfish. So I'm gonna get these inside of the pot and get the pot rolling. This is what you call saltfish. And you got the vegetables, all the season cut up together. This is what we call Jamaican ackee. I'm gonna put all these together and then you will see the outcome. Yeah, a lot of seasoning right here. It's called saltfish. And here, got my pot rolling. This is how you pour the oil inside your pot. And then this is the seasoning. I'm gonna pour all the seasoning inside of it. You can have my seasoning inside of the pot right now. This skillet is a very good skillet. There it is. This is where you make the happy and the salty. You know, Jamaican cook with a lot of seasonings and vegetables. Then I'm gonna put the saltfish inside of it. And then you're gonna see how it comes. That brings chucking, cooking on its chuck. Yeah, you know I love to cook. I will cook morning, noon and night. What I like with this skillet, it doesn't stick. It doesn't stick. Keep stirring it like this. I can't wait to put the saltfish in there. See, my carpet is clean and fluffy. Yeah, I just vacuumed it this morning. And I just love to look at my bed. My bed just always pretty. If you ever smell what I'm smelling right now, you'll be ready to eat. Now I'm gonna pour the saltfish inside of it. I'm gonna continue stirring. This is all healthy food right here. All healthy food. gonna put the ackee in it and a little black pepper and a little of this, and you'll see what's up. Yeah, now I pour the ackee in it. Let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna put a little black pepper in it now. Turn it. Can't turn it too much. That will break up. That's how you make ackee and saltfish. And this is Jamaican national dish. See what's in my skillet. I have my sweet corn. Let me show you what's in the pot here. Got sweet corn, what they call dumpling. This is called dumpling. And there you have my ackee and my saltfish. So that's what's up. Yeah, this is the finishing of my product. This is my Sunday dinner. Brings chucking. So please like and subscribe and comment. Let me know what you're thinking. So now I'm gonna have my Sunday dinner and my chuck.